翻嚟啦，我係依依，我哋而家嚟到呢一個登機亭，我嘅機場 OOTD。有冇咁聲味？呢啲簡單介紹，大家唔係睇呢啲。嗱，我而家嘅心情咧，60% 係興奮，但係都有40% 相當之緊張，因為咁大個第一次出咁遠嘅目。後面呢個登機牌，大家見唔見到我哋今次嘅旅程嘅目的地係喺邊度？答案就係阿姆斯特丹荷蘭啊！所以今次嘅旅程咧係將會可冷好玩。Are you looking for a girlfriend？ 會食嘅嘢咧都將會係可冷好食，好乸好食。住嘅酒店咧都會係可冷靚。
我夜晚見會嚇死。
可冷開心，可冷開心。今次咧，我哋將會喺荷蘭嗰度留2日嘅。我哋隻腳一掂到荷蘭，就會即刻開始我哋嘅行程。可冷可玩之旅正式開始。各位觀眾，我哋正式嚟到我哋酒店嘅附近啦。
哇！呢一間係我間酒店，竟然試下佢先好唔好啊？
各位觀眾大家好，而家係荷蘭本地朝頭早嘅9點，我哋而家正式去到我哋嘅呢間酒店 Heerlen 啊！我未睇過房啦，但係地理位置都幾方便。我竟然識得搭公共交通工具嚟到呢間酒店，覺得自己有啲威。而家朝頭早9點鐘，我見到其實好多鋪頭未開門。食個早餐。冷係有 feel。Hello，I would like to have a hot latte。我睇佢過程比想象中順利，嗰個女仔靚到揀過呢間鋪頭。剛頭先睇咗新聞，而家荷蘭係9度，超凍咯！唔知邊個同我講話，係歐洲而家係夏天嚟㗎，嚇你老母！企起身！全部睇緊呢條片嘅人同我企起身，唔好以為睇我呢片有得 hea 啊！你知唔知點解我叫你企起身啊？你坐喺度太耐，我自到咗幾靚下喎，牛肉好似有啲生，中間有啲我中意食嘅火箭菜，隔離好似有啲白菜仔，不過應該係嗰啲酸菜嚟嘅。試味試嘅，好乸好食咯！啲肉係好鹹嘅，但係咧鹹得嚟唔會好硬，11歐嚇死人真係。佢個法包咧唔係脆咗硬咯，但係硬脆啊，又未去到唔腍啊。呢個包攞嚟做早餐，你覺得做嘢會好勤力。Reuben sandwich 牛腩肉嚟㗎，原來叫 corned beef 啊！哇，唔怪得咁腍啦，咬落去感覺滿足分量都唔少。我食到咁樣飽飽地。Damn！ 係啊，如果你見到啲荷蘭人咁樣，香港人就話屌；如果你見到荷蘭人嘅話，你就話damn。Can I get a chocolate one?
Sure. This one brownie.
This is mini, right?
This small.
Small one.
Small. Enjoy.
大家估下我手上面呢個 strip waffle 要幾多錢？答案係要10歐，被稱為個歐洲最大型嘅片殼，但係都好多人推介，因為咧佢係好 Instagrammable。咁咩叫 strip waffle 咧？佢好似格仔餅咁樣啦，中間夾住個楓糖漿，大家試下咯。味道同我平時Yes, YouTube video. You tried this before?
No.
Your first time here? 5 months already. You should try. It's very expensive.
Sorry.
Okay. Would you like to try some and then give some comment to my audience? Hi.
Hello,
Where are you from?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. I love it. Get some and try.
No.
I can't finish it. Too much.
Hello.
Is it good?
So good. Do you want to try this
Amazing strip waffle.
No. You want to come
What's your name? Oh,
together? Here.
really?
Yeah.
哇，識咗新朋友啊！ What's your name?
Abu.
Abu. So you mean the cookie that local people enjoy?
Sorry, my language is little, but
My language is also not very good. You can hear that. 阿 Bo 教我哋去食呢一間啊，真係好多人排隊喎。You are not lying 喎。佢話呢一間又平又出名，就係呢一隻曲奇入邊，佢哋即場猜緊啲曲奇餅，見唔見到？非常之多人排隊。我哋試下究竟好唔好食。Thank you。即刻出去試下先。Share a cookie with a stranger。佢應該同佢啲 friend 介紹緊我哋買咗呢一個阿 Bo 精心推介，
Yeah.
哇 ，What's this? White chocolate。好撚好食
I told you.
，so much better than that
Yeah, yeah. And this just
3 euro。勁香喎，同埋呢度勁容易揾咯，條荷蘭最大嗰個街嘅一邊 Vans 就 Peli。I don't know。
good cookies.
Very good。阿杯啊，勁好人咯，因為買咗梵高嗰個門票咧，跟住佢話帶我過去咯，專登送我過去。Such a nice guy in Netherlands。So are you looking for a girlfriend? I think I should get you a Hong Kong girlfriend 喎。哎呀！哇！阿杯帶咗我嚟行花市嘅，勁多唔同花嗰啲種子啊，唔同顏色嘅鬱金香嘅種子，白色㗎啦，彩色㗎啦，一棵兩色㗎啦。哇！呢隻最經典，似唔似芒果啊，大佬？哇！做效果喎，犀利！哇！靚到咧，好 random 啊！有人拍 MV 啊，然之後阿波而家衝緊前線嗰度幫佢影緊。哇！我都喺個 MV 入邊啊，而家佢影緊我啊！Is it good？ 哇！行下咧，我哋已經嚟到梵高博物館啦。其實我對梵高唔係好深認識。Do you know this guy?
I don't know.
You don't know at all?
Yeah. Oh.
完全唔識梵高阿波。
I told you before. I am new here.
睇到佢外觀啊，真係相當之靚嘅。好啦，阿波送到我嚟呢一度啊 ，It's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
I wish to see you next time.
Okay, no problem. Talk me in Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep in touch.
Okay.
Now come to Hong Kong one day, okay?
Okay.
I will
hope-
show you around.
I hope.
Such a nice
You want
person.
anything? Just tell me, okay?
OK，阿波走啦，阿波，我哋嘅旅程去到呢度啦，拜拜，拜拜，See you，take care。太好人啦，阿波送到我嚟呢一度，即係食個 waffle，突然間識咗個朋友，佢都係阿姆斯特丹嘅新丁嚟嘅啫，但係佢都好熱情咁樣 show me around。好啦，離愁別緒嘅嘢唔好講太多啦，因為我哋嚟到呢個新嘅景點，會繼續為大家介紹嘅。睇完一 round 之後咧，出嚟話俾大家聽，究竟呢個景點值唔值得睇，同埋我想買啲酥粉送俾大家。
因為唔俾拍片，所以聲音導航。一入去就覺得呢度好大同埋好靚啦。行到過咗仲有餐廳俾你食下添啦。鎮館之寶就係呢個梵高嘅自畫像啦，同埋佢畫嘅呢一棵菊花。咁多人喺度影相打卡啦，甚至乎係浪漫到喺度打晒茄輪咁點？咩啊咩事啊？人哋咁嘅藝術家畫嗰啲畫就係俾你攞嚟做背景㗎。你哋唔好成日都係諗住拍拖好唔好啊？學下我。shopping 係咪？將啲經世巨著印落你個10蚊嘅 tote bag 嗰度賣你3嚿幾水，幾得意！呢副眼鏡係必買啊！我哋睇下佢啲 detail，成個梵高印響你嗰個。啲荷蘭人係會幫自己架單車扮靚嘅喎，唔錯啊，幾好行，我賣得幾開心。
我而家坐咗喺梵高博物館嘅出邊，我啱啱行完成個繆斯人啦，覺得好攰。入邊係算好行嘅喎，頭先交3歐定4歐咧，就有埋呢個中文嘅解說添，咁你可以了解到咧成個博物館究竟係關於啲咩㗎啦。再講啦，因為攰到有少少，我哋先聽下歌先。
The thrushes they were warbling, and the violets they were throbbing. I saw two lovers talking, so I did delay.
叫咗外賣，我唔想出去啊！翻到酒店已經，跟住我想講勁恐怖咯，因為成間酒店咧其實出邊係勁開揚噶，咁點解佢俾咗間房我咧係最閣樓嘅一間房？哇！跟住咧我咪咁樣入房啦，跟住出房先嚇一跳，你睇下極恐怖呢幅畫，見唔見到啊？我夜晚見會嚇死咯，咩事啊？做乜俾呢一間房我同佢有咩仇啊？究竟喺間房入邊，我覺得 OK 嘅，同大家少少地睇埋啦。開個廣角先啊！好，廣角咁樣睇咧，係真係大啲嘅。咁啊，入嚟有張台啦，跟住勁大空間，好大張床，兜翻過嚟呢一邊，咁樣行入去個浴室喎，竟然。咁呢邊係梳妝台啦。Hello，係咯，
間房就係咁樣。咁但係門口嗰個 painting，我頭先行出門口咧，我真係差啲嚇死。你諗下我咁樣打開，哇頂咩？咁樣一幅畫喺酒店度，未夠12小時嘅啫，已經唔見咗第一張信用卡。跟住我睇翻最後嗰個消費記錄，係喺梵高博物館嗰度唔見咗。肯定係因為我掛住買手信俾大家啦。即刻嗰個 attention， 咦手信？你會中意呢一盒？呢個係梵高嘅盲盒。嗱，你冇睇呢盒嘢有成200幾蚊㗎，6款好得意嘅小梵高，我覺得係最啱大家口味嘅，有得抽橫口，擸個鎖匙扣喺袋嗰度，所以我就買咗呢一個。如果大家想要呢一個嘅話咧，記住 follow 我嘅 Instagram， 加入我哋 IG 艾蓋達組織嗰度，咁呢一份獎品就可能係屬於你㗎啦。
啱啱問到呢一間叫做 No.1 嘅荷蘭薯條喎，呢度寫住，我已經點咗一個細嘅嚟試下，但我唔知嗰個醬係啲咩醬。Hello， This is for me. This is small. Oh no, this is not for me. 其實 small 一啲都唔 small 喎，好正啊！係荷蘭嘅薯條喎。哇！好多人都坐喺呢度食，我決定喺呢度揾個位度食。哇！薯條要趁熱食，但係我而家研究緊佢嗰個係咩醬咧？哦，係一種荷蘭醬啊！原來炸薯條醬，咁就係荷蘭特色嘅炸薯條醬。咁我哋香港人食呢個薯條一定係茄汁，咁睇嚟咧佢哋嘅茄汁就係呢一個啦。而家先都幾結效，嗰啲薯條好粗一條，同我啲手指差唔多粗。坐喺呢個街頭，好撚好食，黐線，好撚好食。因為佢好粗咧，個口感薯蓉嘅比例佔好多。佢嗰個醬咧，甜甜地、酸酸地嘅蛋黃醬，好好味，完全停唔到啊！雖然我已經生到成面都有咁啲，但係呢個薯條值得我犧牲一下。基本上係我今日食過最好味嘅嘢，必試9分，好好味。我覺得一個細嘅咧已經可以同3個 friend share。